Alright, it's Saturday and free day. No work today, or there is a little bit work today. I am emptying the manure from the stable, and this is the bucket I use. And as we can see, it have cracked all the way down here. This one was a little bit more bad, so I'm trying to bend it in before I weld it. And I drove the Cobelco into the bucket, laid down and used the garage jack to lift it, and it's just lifting the machine. So now I'm hooking up to the tractor and then lifting as much as I can with the Cobelco and then with the garage jack again, and let's just see what happens. I think I need to get a bigger burner set. This one is, it's doing nothing almost. But we got it pretty straight, a little bit gap, but I'm okay with this. So I grounded a big groove here, and now I will weld it. Oh, it is fall weather up here, and it's been raining like crazy all day, and then we have a little bit where it's not raining, so I'm trying to work in between. But right now it's raining pretty good, so now we just wait for better weather. And yeah, the door on the Cobelco is broken again. I haven't even posted the video of me fixing it, so third time's the charm, or maybe I go for plexiglass this time. It has stopped raining again, and now I will try and flip the bucket up so it will be in the upward position, and then we can weld the seams going down and a little bit more, and then it's hopefully done. I will need to see if we are doing some reinforcements or if this is enough. I'll just keep an eye on it. Alright, so now I'm just trying to figure out when do I get the room for doing some welding. So you can see this is my town, and this big blue dot here is the rain, and it's just right now passing over us, and yeah, it's 7:33 and 7:18 there, 18. So in 20 minutes, about that, it will be a little room for 15 minutes and then it's on again. So yeah, we got a 15-minute window. Yeah, okay, it's stopping right now a little bit, so I will get dressed and go out and do some grinding, because I could see, or come with me, I will show you. And the garage is a mess right now. Summer has been busy. Yeah, much better right now, but I can see some rain up there still, so yeah, but clear skies there. All right, you can see here they have cracked underneath also, so I need to do some grinding here. I need to do some grinding down the sides here. I will try and grind all the way from up here and down on both sides, so I get a new weld passing this. Same here, new weld passing all the way through. You can see some cracks in the bucket going this way. Nothing shown inside, so I don't know, but we'll try and weld it up the best we can. Maybe put on some support plates here or something later on. Was a lot of cracks, so it's just get grinding, or grinding is done. Now it's just welding everything up. Okay, I think I need to give up. It's not possible doing the welding outside today, so I will put the bucket in the other garage and see if I can finish it off there. So I just need to move a little bit of equipment around, and then I probably could get it in the other garage. So alright, I got it in here. Sorry for the lights, they are hopeless when it comes to camera in here. So I guess the rest will be, yeah, same as we had last time, time lapse. But you can see I started fixing this, and yeah, I'll do one more pass here, because you can see there are some in grooves here, and this is actually double layer. So I don't know, here it's not, but in here I burned through and I couldn't see through, so I don't know. So now I'll just clean up everything a little bit again, since I moved it in here. It's no problem with the rain, and yeah, nice table to have the welding machine on, secure the wall so it won't fall on me, and yeah, then we are ready for finishing off. Now it's hopefully nothing stopping me. Got one side almost finished. You can see there is still a small crack right there, so I will do one more pass like this and cover up this crack, and yeah, maybe do something about that hole there. And yeah, I think the rest is great, no problems. I welded a lot here, so this should hopefully hold a little bit better. And also, this is probably from when the stable had the tractor, and then it was more users on it and everything. So yeah, you never know how everything was done, but I can see that the daylight is going away, so I don't have time to do this emptying the manure today, so that will probably be tomorrow then instead, but then I can take my time and finish off everything here. Finished, and yeah, that was a lot of welding. I could probably done it with some plates and stuff like that, but it was fun to melt some metal again. So just went with the beads all the way out where the cracks were, so I passed them with a good way, and just one extra on the outer ends with a little bit colder. And yeah, you can see it's welds everywhere, so this should hopefully hold some time more. And yeah, let's see how this goes. Hopefully it will hold really well. And I also put some yellow paint on the hooks, a little bit easier attaching the bucket than when you have something to look for. So now it's done. I'll just leave it inside drying until tomorrow. It's no time for going up to the stable today, so that will be in the morning. But okay, then we'll see. I already made a video about emptying the manure, so I'm not quite sure how I will make that interesting one more time, so we'll see. It's the day after, everything is dried up and we're ready to go. So now I'll just fire up the Kobelco and just put rope in this and carry it outside, and the tractor is warming up, so soon ready to go. Just hook the bucket right up, and yeah, no biggie there. And I also need to take the weight that are here. Here are two of my summer tires actually for the tractor, but this weight I need to have in the back of the tractor when we are carrying out the manure, because it's too heavy for no weight in the back. So I have to take the Bobcat. The Bobcat can barely move this one on the pallet, so I got it there from there, so I should probably get it back there with the Bobcat. So but first, bucket on the tractor, and here we can see the windshield for the Kobelco. I hit this one going with the truck bed tilted a little bit on the side and everything, so yeah. as mentioned, it's barely okay, we can't call it even lifting it, because it's not lifting it, it's just dragging it, as we see. Okay, the triangle is back on. Let's just see if we can hook up the weight, and then we are ready to go actually. That's the really nice things about these triangles. They are really easy to hook up, and releasing, you just pull this string, this lever goes down, and you're dropping it and it releases. And 1 second, yeah, we can't see it that clearly right now, but my snowblower has the same connection, so it's a triangle there also, so that will make life a lot easier. And if I want to flip the snowblower around this year, I can just make a triangle on the other side also, and then it's just dropping it, turning around, click, on again. Nice and easy. So this is all it is to go up the hills with the tractor. It doesn't go fast. We are currently doing 28 kilometers an hour, and yeah, we have no load, just the bucket and the weight in the back that we just put on, but else it's nothing. And if you hear now, we are going down to 27 actually, so yeah, still not bad. It's still faster than the Volmet tractor did, but yeah, it's not great. But it's a 40 kilometer an hour tractor, so, and I got the offer from a guy in town to tune it, so we'll see. Maybe we do it, maybe we don't. I don't know. I gotta check a little bit with my insurance also, so I have engine and gearbox failure insurance, so I would like to keep that, and probably I will lose it if I tune it, so it's probably better. So we are closing into on the stable, and get there. We are looking a little bit what we have to do, and yeah, let's just enjoy the rest of the ride. Yeah, you can see the light there. That's our light service that we are supposed to have now. We have 0 hours for light service. That's the 600-hour service. So yeah, I'm waiting just for one filter, and as soon as that one arrives, we are doing it. Alright, as we can see, it is full, and it's about time to empty it out. So yeah, I guess we have a couple of buckets to carry out today, and there are some kids' birthday party in the stable today, so there are a lot of kids and cars, or the parents with the cars here, so that's actually the worst part. Makes everything a little bit harder, but it's just taking over time. Down here is a little bit difficult because there are some concrete edge here that you normally hit, and that is just, yeah. Okay, let's start with this small bucket. Oh, we need a four-wheel drive for this. Okay, normally I do turn around here. Let's see if that's possible today with all the cars. I think that will go just fine. Alright, first scoop. And that's the worst thing. It's quite a drive for emptying the bucket and everything, so would have liked it to be a little bit closer, but it is what it is. And there's my small excavator also. everything. I've used it here for ditching in and some other stuff. Okay, we are switching over for low gear. Going in here, it's pretty muddy and bumpy and stuff like that, so it's better to just take it nice and easy. It's almost so I wonder if it would have been better to just use my trailer and fill the trailer and then back up in here and empty out everything, if that would be a solution, or if this just is the quickest way. Might be that this is just as quick as everything else. And with all the rain we had yesterday, everything is slippery, and yeah. I guess we will use a little bit of time washing the machine afterwards.